Hey everyone, welcome back to Levels of Styles with Sandra. Today I am sharing with you a continuation. I am participating in a 12-week challenge hosted by Marilyn over at Cozy Lifestyle, and she is doing a Love Your Home 12-week challenge. Last week we decluttered our room, and now this week we will be tackling our closets. So if this seems like something that you would be interested in, please continue watching. And if you are new to my channel, hey, and welcome. And if you could do me one more big favor, consider subscribing. Hit that notification bell so that you can receive all notifications each and every time that I upload. And let's become family. But let's get back to this over here, my messy mess. So with that being said, let's get on in this video. Okay guys, as you can see, my messy mess. Uh-oh. So, you see it. So, and it goes all the way back there. And all the way up there. So let's get this stuff pulled out, decluttered, reorganized. And see what we can get rid of. All right. Okay, guys. As you saw, I just basically took everything that was hanging up and everything that was on my closet floor out of the closet. So I'm going to turn the camera around and show you what I done took out thus far. And then I'm going to show you how the bottom part of my closet is looking. I have not had my closet emptied out in literally 10 years. So it is a lot of dust. So we're gonna, like I said, I'm about to show you this real quick, and then I'm going to go through what I have out, because that seems to make more sense to me because my bed is full. As I said, we're going to turn this camera around and show you. Okay, as I said, it is a lot of dust. And this is a reminder that this needs to be done. I would suggest I suggest yearly, or I'm not one to change out my clothing. Now I will maybe put like my I would like to, I put my stuff like seasonally forward in my closet, but far as pulling stuff out and taking your winter clothes out and stuff like that, I don't do that. But I kind of see the importance of doing that, because you can clean out your floors and your walls and everything. And we haven't even begun up here. So let's get back into this video. Okay, everyone, this is all the items that I am putting on my Poshmark app as far as my clothing, and I have a couple of handbags. This is clothes that I'm donating. These are totes that I no longer need. Poshmark, and out of my closet I got about this much trash, not even a full bag of trash. So I'm about to post these items real quick, and then I'm going to give you the end look of my closet. All right, see you in a minute. Hey everyone, welcome back. It is the next day. About time I posted them items to Poshmark. I had to get dinner going and other things, so we are on the next day and I am finished, and I would like to show you my end results. So without the chit chat, let's get into this closet. Okay, we are going to start up top, and as you can see here, these orange baskets, they house my decorative pillow covers. Those two totes here house my sandals and flip-flops and other shoes. And then we have my purses that I kept. And then all the way back there, we still have some shoes and boxes and everything. We still have, those are my bed pillows that I sleep with up here. And those are just extra decorative, Euro pillows, and I have to get a bag to put those in. And then I just have a couple of extra blankets that I use, my soft blankets. Then down here is just my shoes. I'm really downsized on my shoes, so yeah, I have a couple of more. These are all my coats, my sweaters, some of my blouses and pants. I really downsized my closet, guys. So as I said before, this was a much needed thing for me because I really needed to downsize, not as much as downsize, but declutter. And I'm glad that Marilyn had this collab because, like I said, guys, I had some stuff that I needed to get rid of. And I'm going to show you all my blanket styling on my bed for today as well. But again, I appreciate you guys. Please, if you have not yet checked the playlist, please go over and watch the playlist. Also, thumbs up this video, share this video. If you are not yet if you are not yet a family member, please consider joining us. This year is going to be a lot different from last year. So please be blessed and be a blessing to someone else. And I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.